Hi, this is Scott Hoover, Equipment Manager in Muskogee, Oklahoma, Paper Transport. Today we're going to demonstrate how to properly uninstall and install the windshield wipers on the Freightliner Cascadias today here at Penske in Muskogee. I have a step ladder here that we have in the shop that we can use for safety. So if you're out on the road and you need a windshield wiper, I'll demonstrate how you can get up here without the proper step, or if you're here and you can swing by, we'll go ahead and do this. We can get up here pretty easy. So after I pop the hood open on the truck, I like to step up of the tire, and then as you can see, I pulled one of the wiper blades out on the driver's side. This is fairly easy. You just push in the little slit on the back of the blade and remove the wiper. This little item right here, you just push that in and the blade comes right off when you pull it out. So this is an old blade here, and we're going to move to the other side and place that. Be careful with these and don't let them pop back in, because they will damage the windshield and cause a crack. We don't want that. Watch my footing on the tire. Do not use this device because it is not stealth. Go ahead and pull this one out, and I have the proper release on here, and we'll just slide it right off. It comes off very simple. So we order our wiper blades from Imperial Office Supplies. These typically cost around $3 to $4 a piece, and versus buying them on the road at a Love's TA, they're a lot less expensive coming through us and getting them done here. As you can see, the new blade, it has the push-in device, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install that. Always use 3 points of contact as best as you can when you're getting up on top. As you can see, the hook is out. Slide that right in to the V-notch. Pull up, locks in place. Be careful with this so it doesn't slap up against that. Windshield wiper is repaired in place. We do have the all-season windshield wipers, and most of you guys that are still running, of course, as it's cold and wet weather's coming, we have 2 different options. These are the dry weather ones. They seem to hold up a little bit better than the wet weather ones, but in rainy conditions and wintry, I do recommend the winter one. All-season. See, I've got my little flip out right here with the little button pushed in. Just slide it up in here, flips in place, easily set that back up on there, and now the windshield wipers are installed. Very easy process compared to some of the truck stops that charge us $50 or $60 or more, and $20 for a set of wipers. So, have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in Muskogee. Thank you for your time.